Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to tap the bell icon so that you won't miss any updates from my end. And starting from today, we are going to solve December daily Leetcode challenge problems. This is day one. Whenever I get time, I will upload that particular day problem. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Let's try to solve this problem. We will be given one string and we need to divide this string into two halves with equal lengths, and we need to say whether they are alike. I mean to say, if they have same number of ovals, then we can say it's true, otherwise false. I mean it's alike. Let's try to see how we can solve this particular problem. Assume we will be given one string called book, and if you would like to divide it with equal lengths of two halves, then this is one substring, this is one substring. So assume a equal to bo and b equal to okay. And first we iterate through this subarray, substring. I mean, we count how many ovals are there. There is only one. Okay. We maintain a counter called some race equals 0 initially. So when we are traversing through the first half, we increment. So this will become 1 after completing this iteration of substring. Then we come here. When we start iterating from the second half, okay, whenever we find a oval, we are going to decrement this. Okay, so here we found oval, then it is going to be 0 and it will come, this is not oval, and we're done with iteration. So the ultimate goal is when we are going to iterate through the first substring, we are going to increment, and when we are going to iterate through the second substring, we are going to decrement. And at the end, we should be having the original value what we initialized before performing these two operations. That's all. It's not a complex. It's a straightforward, simple question. And what are the time and space complexities? Time complexity is going to be big O of n, and space complexity is going to be big O of 1, because we are not taking the extra space according to the number of characters in the string. And time complexity big O of n, because we are going to traverse to the each element in the array. I mean to say each character in the array. Without further ado, let's get into coding part. First, I'm going to take int n is equals to s dot length, then string first half equal to s dot substring, and we can take from 0 to n divided by 2, which will give me the first half. Then string second half equal to s dot substring of n by 2 to en. This will give me the second. Then I'm going to take a particular variable to track. And before that, we need to have a helper method, okay, because we are going to iterate through these two halves. So it could be better if we take the helper method instead of checking the oval or not manually in two cases. So for that, I'm going to take boolean is oval, which is going to take a character. And we know the character can be uppercase or lowercase. So if it is uppercase of a, lowercase of a, still it is an oval. So in order to handle that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert the given character into lowercase, no matter what we got as an input. Character dot to lowercase of ch. Once this is done, then I can simply check this. If c equal to a, or c equal to e, or c equal to I, or c equal to o, or c equal to u. If any of this, then return true, else return false. That's it. So now what happens is I will iterate through the first half. So for char c, first half dot to char array, and it's too simple, like if is oval of C. If this is C, then increment the result. Okay. Likewise, iterate through the second one, second of. If this is oval and decrement. At the end, it's too simple. Check if it is 0 or else not, because 0 is what we initialized before performing these operations. So let's give a submit. Yeah, it got submitted. It got ran. Now I'm submitting. Yeah, it took 2 milliseconds and 99.29% of faster than the online Java submissions. That's all for this video, and this problem can be solved in different ways also. Okay, people don't take two loops, but they can go through by something like for a equal to 0 and b equal to n by 2. Okay, a less than, sorry, int a equals 0, b equal to n by 2, and a less than n by 2, and a plus plus comma b plus plus. Like instead of taking two loops, okay, people can do in one loop where we can initialize two variables and we can increment them, and we can write a code like if is oval, something like that. So that also fine, like different ways people can approach, and this is my way. I hope you learned something new today. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap the bell icon. I will meet you in the next lecture. Bye bye.